Now students, in this video I'm going to discuss the mathematical library methods question answers, and that is chapter number 6. Before moving ahead, I want you to first understand what is actually the meaning of method or functions. Alright, whenever you write a program, students, so basically there is a set of instructions. So, and whenever we write those instructions, where do we write? We write in a function. And whenever you call that function, so what happens basically that all the statements written within that functions are executed one after the other. So function itself is a small program, okay, because that contains certain set of statements which are executed when the function is basically called. All right, so Java has given us facility to write our own functions because the logic of our program is always written in the function. All right, and Java has given its own set of functions as well, which are the library functions or library methods. Like whenever you want to perform printing, you use println function, right? It is just like whenever I want to be treated and I am not well, I am at home, I simply call the doctor. But when my water tap at my place is not working, I will not call a doctor, I will call a plumber. Similarly, when some electricity related problem is there, I will call the electrician. So we have to understand when to call which function. Alright, so that is the basic idea of the function. In this chapter, we are focusing upon the mathematical library function. And let me tell you, these mathematical functions which we are going to discuss just now, they are the part of the math class. What I said, math class, because in Java there is a math package also. Difference, math class begins with capital M and math package has all the letters in small letters. Alright, alright. So one is package, the other is class, and this chapter has got all the functions which belong to math class, where the M is capital. All right. So let's start now. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1: which of the following is false to find square of a number? So math.pow a comma 2, math dot a asterisk a. So this will give us the a to the power 2 or a square. This will also give us a to the power 2 or a square, right? But the difference is this will give us the value in double data type and this will give us integer or int in case a is of int type, right? So now let me give you an example. Suppose the value of a variable is say 5. So what we will get? We'll get 25.0, not just 25, because POW returns the value in the double data type. Math.sqrt also gives the value in the double data type, but it gives us the square root. So this is correct, and this is not giving us the a to the power 2 or finding the square of number a. Okay, so the answer over here is going to be math.sqrt. Why? Because they are asking which one is the false. Always remember that. All right. Now after that, students, we have the second question. And one more thing, all of the above is not possible because the false is there. Okay. What type of value is returned by math.sqrt? I have already answered that question. Math.sqrt returns the value in double type, so double will be the answer. Int no, float no, all no, because double is there. Okay, and remember students, small letters is there, it's a primitive data type. Okay, which of the following syntax is true to find the square root of a number? So again the same thing, math.sqrt of a, because a they have taken as a number over here. So sqrt alone not possible. A square root doesn't exist. None is not possible because math.sqrt is the correct answer. And C, the math M is capital. It's a class. Okay. SQRT, POW, all of these belong to the math class. Name the class that is used for different mathematical functions. So students, in your book it's given the wrong options are given. They have written the Java capital letter J, right? So it's all wrong. So I have written the correct options. So please correct that in the book also. So java.lang.math. So math, M is capital. It's a class, and Java is a package, and Lang is also a package. So Lang math belongs to the Lang package, and Lang package in turn belongs to the Java package. Alright students, this is not possible because power is not a class, sqrt is not a class, none is not possible because the right answer is very much there. So correct answer is java.lang.math. So math, M is capital, rest are letters are small, right? After that, students, question number 5, give the output of the math.abs, or for the absolute value it's x when x equals to minus 9.99. all right students, very good. Now here, what absolute does, it gives us the absolute value, means the sign will be taken away, so minus will not be there, so answer will be same, the only minus is not there, right? So 9.99 is the correct answer. This is not correct. 0.99 absolutely wrong. None is not possible because 9.99, the correct answer is very much there. Okay, now students, after that we have give the output of math.sqrt of x. So when x equals to 9.0, so sqrt is square root again, and 3.0 is the right answer because the value must be of double type. That's why 3 is an integer, not possible. 3.00 has no sense in Java, so 3.0 is the correct answer. All is not possible because the correct answer is very much here, other two are wrong. Okay, so I hope everybody has a clear idea of these question answers. Thanks everyone. Please subscribe and share.